What's going on? What's going on? Alright guys, J-Box Friday, 6:27 p.m. Eastern Time on the 20th. We're breaking 4-boxer 1 and 2 of Spectra football. I'm actually posting some NT College again. That's all I got left in stock. Alright, so let's do the first 4 boxes now, and the second 4, obviously, as soon as we're done. What's up, Jimmy? Alright, let's do the first 4 and then the second. Alright guys, good luck. Dak for president, Jimmy. Come on, man. Don't start that crap again. What up, Chad? Alright, pack number 1. Alright, we got Max Crosby for the Raiders, number 260. My best, Andy. Always do. CJ Henderson for the Jags, number 210. Alright, our first auto is Dermontti Dawson for the Steelers at 99, going to Matt. Next up for the Bucks, we got Devin White, number 235. Bucks is Richard. And Kerryon Johnson for the Lions, number 99. Going to Christopher. Christopher P. Alright, we got a Javon Kinlaw for San Fran, number 75. Next up, Joshua Kelly, number 250. Alright, we got a Trevon Diggs for the Cowgirls, number 199. Going to Jimmy. And for the Chargers, we have a Cam Akers, number 299. Chargers is Ron. Or sorry, that's Rams. My fault. Rams. Going to Rick. Only one parallel in this one. All right, we got Darren Waller, number 235. Next up, CJ Henderson for the Jags, number 299. Jags is Dominic. Alright, sick patch, Joshua Kelly. Numbered 1 of 2 for the Chargers. Chargers is Ron. And Dalvin Cook for Minnesota, number 75. Going to Anthony. And Durkee. Oh boy, big one coming. Big one coming. Alright, we got Xavier McKinney, number 299. Next up, we got Jalen Hurts, number to 75. Here you go, Dimitri, for the Bengals. Joe Burrow, very nice. 94 of 99. True RPA. And Jerry Jeudy for Denver, 9 of 25. Denver, going to Brian. All right, box 2. Open some more of these guys. Hold on. Just want to make sure they were all the same size like I was told. Spectras are usually all over the place. All right, we got Leonard Fournette, number 275. We got Jacob Eason, number 250. Why nobody's jumping on the Packers with Jordan Love? Jordan Love, RPA, number to 60. Let's go to Drew. And we got a Michael Pittman Jr. for the Colts. Number to 10, 10 of 10. Colts, going to Brian. All right, next up we got a Kerryon Johnson, number to 99. One parallel in this box. For the Bucks, going to Richard, we have a Tyler Johnson in the Jumbo Materials, number to 15. Next up for the Jags, go to Dominic, we got Colin Johnson, number to 199. And we got Devontae Parker, number 275 for the Fins. Miami, going to Gabe. All right, we got Nick Bosa, number 225. We got a Darnell Mooney die cut, number to 50. Bernie Kosar for the Browns, number 220. Browns was Anthony. And for Baltimore, we got a J.K. Dobbins, number 299. Going to Jerry. Let's pack a box 2. All right, we got Kyler Murray, who looked phenomenal last night out of 35. For the Cowgirls, we got Bob Lilly, number 299. Going to Jimmy. For the Dolphins, we got a Mercury Morris, number 250. Going to Gabe. And for the Jets, go to Dominic, LaMichael Perrine, number 235. All right, box 3. Everyone excited for the World Series to start? I think it's going to be a good one. I think the Rays are going to kill them, actually. Everyone's saying Dodgers, but I have a feeling it's going to be the Rays. All right, we got Jalen Smith. Big hit coming up, number 75. Damn it, I should have kept fucking Green Bay. I knew they were going to hit big because nobody wanted them. God damn it. How about some Aaron Rodgers? 1 of 15. Very nice. Going to Drew. That's why I was willing to keep him. What you said, Drew? First break with me. Doing well. Jordan Love and that. All right, and we got a Jordan Love, Speak of the Devil, number to 149. Next up, we got Mike Williams for the Chargers, number 230. Going to Ron. Why nobody wanted him? I've been hitting Aaron Rodgers like crazy lately, too. I always hit him. All right, Warren Sapp, number 299. Next up, Jimmy G, number 275. All right, for the Jags, we got a Laviska Shenault Jr., number 225, going to Dominic. And for the Colts, we got a Jonathan Taylor, number to 35. It's 35 of 35. Colts was Brian. All right, for the Eagles, we got a Zach Ertz, number 299. Next up, we got James Morgan for the Jets, number to 75. Jets is Dominic. Second one of the break, Demarnati Dawson, number 299, going to Matt. And for the Falcons, Calvin Ridley to 75, going to Jalenta. Alright, let's pack a box 3. Alright, we got a Boomer Esiason for the Bengals to 60. Next up, Will Fuller in a die cut, number 250. Nice hit for the Ravens, going to Jerry. We got a Duvernay, RPA, number to 99. And Antonio Gibson for the Skins, number 275, going to Dominic. Alright, one box left for the first half. Move on to the second. Alright, we got Khalil Mack, number 260. Next up, we got another Duvernay for the Ravens, going to Jerry, number to 50. Another nice patch. Alright, we got a D.D. Westbrook and Nicole Hardman Jr., Jags and Chiefs, number to 75. That'll be a random between Dimitri and Dominic. For the Jets, we got Sam Darnold, number 75, going to Dominic. we got Big Ben, number 275. Next up for the Rams, going to Rick, Cam Akers, number 35. For Miami, we got Tua, number 299, going to Gabe. And a parallel, Jerry Jeudy, Rise Above, number 250. Alright, 2 more packs to go for the first half. Alright, we got a Marquise Brown, number 299. Next up, we got a Justin Jefferson, nice hit for the Vikings, number 250. Going to Anthony. And Durkin. We got Damian Williams for KC, number 299. Going to Dimitri. And DJ Shark for the Jags, going to Dominic, number 75. Alright, last pack of the first half. Alright, we got Khalil Mack, number 215. Next up, we got Brian Westbrook, number 230. Jags keep hitting. We got Clavion, I don't know how to say his last name, Chasen, number 25. Jags was Dominic. And for the Rams, going to Rick, we got Jared Goff, number 225. And you got 4 more boxes to go, Andy. 4 more boxes to go. Alright, let me just do that random between Dimitri and Dominic. D.D. Westbrook, Jags, and then McCole Hardman Jr., Chiefs. Give me 1 second here. And then we'll go on to the next 4 boxes. Alright, so first is Dominic on the card. Then is Dimitri. Alright, guys, anything higher than 4 or lower, do a re-roll. 1. Whoops. I gotta roll dice first. Alright, 5 times. I already went once. So 2, 3, 4, and 5. Dimitri. Alright, so you get that. Alright, that's half number 1. Push that out to the side here. Most of y'all got the same for half 2, so. Alright, number 2. Box 1. So I'll be on one video, guys. Dirk and I don't believe Cardinals hit anything first half. No. Not that I recall. Alright, we got Patrick Queen, number 299. You got Justin Jefferson, though, for the Vikings with your shared team. You got Adam Thielen, number 220. Alright, going to Dominic for Washington. We have a Antonio Gibson, number 10. We got a DK Metcalf, number 275. Seattle, going to Chuck. And And Devin White for the Bucks, number 275. Tampa, going to Richard. All right, we got Gabriel Davis, number 215. You have Washington, Daniel? Why the hell do I have Dominic on there then? I'll have to change that. I don't know why I have him on there. All right, we got Zeke, number 250, who looked like garbage last night. Thank you for telling me that. Another Clavion for the Jags, number 99, going to Dominic. And for the Bengals, we got T. Higgins, number 275. All right, we got Jalen Reagor. Hopefully he's back this week at a 75. Our third Duvernay, number 275, going to Jerry. We got a Justin Herbert for the Chargers, number 199. Chargers is Ron. And we have Clint Farrell, number 299, going to Jason, Raiders. All right, we got Dan Marino, Dolphins in 99. Next up, we got a Brian Edwards, number 250. Yes, it is, Matt. What's going on? All right, Brandon Ayuk. Nice hit, number 75. Going to Mike, San Fran. And going to Jerry with B. Moore, Lamar Jackson, number 299. No Claypool, Matt. You hit the same vet twice so far. I forget who it was. We got some more top loaders, guys. Hold on. In the first half. No Claypools yet, though. Kid's a monster. How did he play this past week against the Browns? I didn't look up his stats. I just know they annihilated them yesterday. The day before. Alright, box 2. Yeah, Dawson. You hit 2 Dawsons, Matt. Thank you, Daniel. Oh boy, he just mentioned him. I think that's who's coming up, and it looks pretty. It looks pretty. It is. We got Chase Young, number 260. Here we go. Claypool. Very nice. Number 215. 5 touchdowns on the year. Going to Matt. Congrats. We got Jalen Hurts, number 275, Eagles. Going to Brian. Browns. Hey, man, the Browns might lick a-hole, but they're winning. And Devontae Parker, number 99. Baker's looking a little better. I thought it was him again. I was going to snap. All right, we got Alvin Kamara, number 275. Next up, we got Justin Jefferson, number 250. All right, going to Drew. We got a A.J. Dillon, number 250. Going to Gabe. We got a Tua, number 199. Oh, there's another Aaron Rodgers. You don't want to patch all those though. No 101s yet. Alright, we got a Jeff Gladney, number 75 for the Vikings. Next up is Darius Smith, number 220, 20 of 20. Rams keep on hitting. Cam Akers, number 99. Going to Rick. A couple of them so far. For the Bucks, we got a Keyshawn Vaughn, number 99. Going to Richard. I love Spectra. And Tariq Cohen, number 275. Going to Thomas. Just wish I could have got more than one. It's dumb. Alright, we got A.J. Terrell, number 299 for the Falcons. A DJ Shark, number 230. He is now a Charger. We got Joe Reed, number 199. Chargers is Ron. And championship gear, we got Terry Bradshaw going to Matt, number 275. All right, box 3. Now, you think Rays take this World Series? I do. I think they're going to beat Dodgers, especially with Kershaw pitching tonight. They're going to be at one game. All right, we got Baker, number 235. Kershaw just sucks when it comes to the playoffs. All right, next up for the Bills, we got Gabriel Davis, number 250. Going to Charlie. All right, got another random here. It's going to be Carolina and Titans. Titans first in the random. We got Derrick Henry and McCaffrey, number 10. Carolina was Andy. And I don't know where I have Titans at. Who had the Titans? Dominic had the Titans. That's what it was. For some reason not on my list. Going and Dominic. So it's between Andy and Dominic. And we got a DK Metcalf, number 25. Going to Chop. That's how I messed up. Tried to add him back onto that list. All right, we got Mark Ingram, number 299. Next up, we got Russell Wilson, number 250. All right, we got T. Higgins, had a touchdown yesterday, number 60. Going to Dimitri. And Kerryon Johnson, number 250 for the Lions. Going to Chris J. Chips on top loaders. Alright, we got J.K. Dobbins, number 99. Next up, the Redskins, going to Daniel. We got a Terry McLaurin, Sky High, number 75. We got a Kenny Galladay, nice patch, number 15. Lions. Going to Chris J. And for Pittsburgh, Hines Ward, championship gear, number 75, going to Matt. Alright, we got a OBJ, number 225. Next up, Derrick Henry, number 275. Going to Chris J. Nice hit for the Lions, DeAndre Swift, number 25. And for the Bengals, we got Joe Burrow and AJ Green, number 250. Going to Dimitri. What are you saying fuck yeah about getting the Hines Ward? Uh-oh. Alright guys, last box. Welcome press, nice hit. Alright, we got Peyton Manning, number 299. Next up, Justin Herbert, number 230. Alright, another T. Higgins, number 275, going to Dimitri. And for Jimmy, we got a Michael Gallup, number 275. Alright, we got a Carson Wentz, number 5. Good, Brian. Alright, for the Bears, going to Thomas, Cole Kmet, number 235. Alright, for the Broncos, we got Philip Lindsay, number 225, going to Brian. And for the Broncos again, Jerry Jeudy, going to Brian, number 199. Alright, 2 packs to go, guys. Good luck. Next will be NT College again. That's all I got. Alright, we got Derek Carr, number 225. We got Chase Claypool on the rise above, number 30. Nice hit coming up for Jerry. For the Ravens, nice RPA, J.K. Dobbins. Very nice, number 75. And we're going to have another random here between, just like the first one. This one's better though. That one is numbered 4 of 4 between Dimitri and Dominic. Dede and McCole Hardman Jr. So 2 randoms to do. Alright, last pack, guys. We got Julio Jones, number 260. For the Jets, we got LaMichael Perine, number 260. Oh, killing me here. Killing me. These randoms. Jets was Dominic. Another random, but it's a good one. Russell Wilson and Patty Mahomes, number 15. That'll be between Chuck and Dimitri. And then ending it with Mr. Dak himself, going to Jimmy, number 50. All right, let's do the randoms, guys. Appreciate the fill. Again, NT College will be going up here in a few moments. That's it for football. I think XR comes out on Friday. So that'll be the next new product coming out. One case as always. Alright. So first we'll do the Patty Mahomes and the Russell Wilson. Again, it's going to be between Chuck and Dimitri. Chuck's first, then Dimitri. Alright. Anything higher than 4 guys, 4 lower door reroll. 4, 3, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Going to Chuck. Congrats, Chuck. Alright, next up was going to be the Dede and McCole Hardman Jr., number 4. Got Dominic first. Dimitri second. Alright guys, no deal, anything higher than 4, 4 lower door reroll. Alright, 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Going to Dominic. And last but not least, we have a duel of Derrick Henry and McCaffrey, number 210. So, Derrick Henry's first is Titans, as Dominic. And McCaffrey was Carolina, which was Andy. Alright, we're going to go 9 times again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Going to Andy. So you didn't completely skunk. Not a bad one to get either. Alright, so it's Andy. Alright guys, appreciate it. And I don't have any more Spectra, man. There's nothing I can do. My rebuy on it was what retail is. I'm not paying that. I couldn't even break it for the same price. I couldn't even fill this without discounts. But NT college football will be going up here shortly, and then that'll be it for football until XR comes out, guys. Let's get the absolute fill. There's only 6 teams left. It gives you first shots of team in NT case 1. It's the same team you're taking. Still got Braves and some good teams on there, Mets. So, all right, guys, take care. Have a great night.